iPhone SE reappeared on the Apple website. However, this is not the original smartphone, but its successor. The novelty will be released under the same name. The iPhone SE smartphone has reappeared on Apple's official website. But you shouldn't think that the company from Cupertino decided to return the model that was popular in the past to sale. No, the iPhone SE successor, which has long passed under the names iPhone SE2 and iPhone 9, is now hiding under this name. In the section of current smartphones it is not. The mention of iPhone SE appeared in sections of the official website that sell Belkin safety glasses, as well as an extended Apple Care Plus warranty. iPhone SE reappeared on Apple website. However, this is not the original smartphone, but its successor. iPhone SE reappeared on Apple website. However, this is not the original smartphone, but its successor. This confirms previous information that the successor iPhone SE will be released under the same name with the current year, that is, iPhone SE 2020. Recall that at the beginning of last year, Apple temporarily returned to the sale of iPhone SE at a reduced price, but the entire batch was sold out very quickly. iPhone SE has also been discontinued a long time ago. This week, protective accessories for the new smartphone appeared on sale, which indicate the inevitability of an early announcement. Presumably, the presentation will take place on April 15th. It is expected that the iPhone 9 will receive a Touch ID fingerprint scanner, which will be located under the Home button, a single-chip Apple A13 system and 3 GB of RAM.